Check it out, guys. I received the package from Get Lowered Cycles. Thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Fast shipping, ready to go. All right, guys, this is the product right here from Get Lowered Cycles. Thank you guys very much for having this in stock right away. I got it within like 2 days. Like I said, this is a great product from SNS. We're gonna open it up right now and check it out. Open the package. Show you guys what we got. So we got the receipt right here as well. And also we have some stickers from Get Lowered Cycles. Thank you very much. Little letter from him. Thank you. All right, so we're gonna open this one up. Always gotta have a box cutter. There you go. So this is from SNS. This is the SNS M8 Manifold for your Harley Davidson, 2019 Street Glide Harley Davidson. There you have it, guys. Wow. This is what I needed. So the thing is that with the other one, it's plastic. This is a definitely better material. Definitely got some weight to it. Not too much weight, but you know, it's better than the plastic one. In the box, you also have some installation stuff, and then you also have the O-ring that goes right there as well. So we're gonna take apart the other one and we're gonna install this one. Look at that, just a beauty. Great, great. Same size, 55 millimeters. So all we gotta do is take out the other one and just connect them exactly the way it is. We're just swapping it out, but in a different material. All right, guys, heading to the installation now. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is actually take out the gas line. I already disconnected it there. And then we gotta take down the tank, take it out. We're gonna do this nut right here, and then this one nut over here and one on the other side. So that's gonna take out the tank. All right, so let's do that now. All right, so we took out the tank. Now we're gonna go back here and check, make sure everything is correctly. Make sure that all these zip ties are cut out from the LEDs, and you know, tuck it in, all the stuff. And the tank is over there, and yeah, we're gonna get going. So I took out the throttle body on the intake, and this is the manifold, which as you can see is plastic, garbage. And for some reason, I think here was the problem. This gasket, I was getting some kind of leak in the intake. Probably, I don't know, I'm thinking that. But either way, this plastic one sucks. So this is gonna come out. I think I was having some kind of leak around here, which was causing my pipe to like a little backfire, and it was making some kind of weird noise. So let me tell you something real quick. In order to get this screw out right there, you're gonna need this right here, which I came across this little problem I had. I had to run to Home Depot and get it. So this is the 1/4 screw right there. This is almost nearly impossible to get it if you don't have this tool. They sell it like this at Home Depot. I might as well just get the whole thing. It was like 23 bucks. I I'm gonna need it. So either way, I just bought the whole thing. So now it's a lot easier to go in there. Oh, and make sure you get it with the, I think it's called the ball. Let me focus it on. It's like a ball, so you can actually twist it a little bit and still get a turn on it. All right, so what we're gonna do is, I can feel it, it's already snugged in. All right, so there we go, we're gonna get that out. This is how it's gonna look when you untie it. It's tight, so make sure you use some WD-40 to unloosen that, all right? So we're just gonna unloosen this real quick, and then it should come out, it should slide right out. All right, guys, here's the intake manifold that I just took out. Look at the difference. Cheap plastic, worn out seal. That's what every Harley has right now. Man, definitely worth changing. This actually gives you 4 to 5 extra horsepower by the SNS. What a difference, what a difference. Plastic and aluminum right there, baby. All right, so as I took this out, I was keep on pulling it out, and I couldn't seem to get it out. And due to why, because see those 2 little screws back there, they were holding it tight from the back. As I was watching videos on YouTube, I did not see those screws come out from other bikes, but I did see it come out from, I think it was a Lowrider S, but he didn't have those screws back there, but it was tough to get out. Like I said, you need that long tool to get it out, and it will squeeze through. All right, now let's put the SNS manifold. So let me show you guys, we took this out from the old one. This is actually the fuel line that's gonna go up to the tank. So this is gonna go right here, and we're gonna replace it and just stick it on right there. All right, this is how it's gonna look like at the end of the day. We switched over the sensors for the fuel, and that's the fuel line. So this is what it's gonna look like at the end when it's all hooked up, and we're gonna get it going. One other thing, make sure you guys clean out the accessory oil in there. Make sure it's all cleaned out before you put the manifold in. Make sure it's all cleaned out. And another thing, very important, you're gonna use the gasket that was on here. Previous is pretty good, no problems with that. And we're gonna use that piece that was on there to make sure that it goes on there right. All right, guys, I just installed the intake, the Trask intake, cleaned it out, looks clean. Did the SNS manifold, all hooked up, ready to go. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below, let me know what you think about the SNS manifold. All right, thank you guys. Like, subscribe, comment below. Peace.